Hey guys, this is my new car, a 2006 BMW 330d Touring. I've had it a few months, well actually I've had it, what is it now, February? I've had it for about 6 months, but 4 of those months it was in the garage. I'll update everyone on the situation when it's all sorted, but what a pain in the arse. Anyway, so I thought I'd finally give a tour of it now that I've got it back. It's got 132,000 miles. I bought it for $3.5 grand. It's got a grey leather interior with the 6-speed automatic and iDrive, so it's easier to control all the car's functions and stuff. It's a bit dirty, it's not got the original floor mats, but it's my daily, so I don't expect it to be super clean. Got my coat, got some snacks. Just this past weekend I took it about 600-700 miles to Antwerp in Belgium, and it didn't miss a beat. It ran perfectly. I averaged about 40 miles per gallon, which isn't bad considering in Belgium speed limits aren't really adhered to, especially with English plates. It's got dual exhaust tips. This is a feature I found out quite recently. If you open up the rear glass, the thing slides back, which is awesome, but I always leave it down, otherwise it rattles. It's got quite a large cargo area, and it's got a net there which I leave up just because it looks better in my opinion. There's quite a lot of room in the back, so I'm 5'11", 6 foot, and sitting behind myself I am comfortable. It's got 17-inch alloy wheels. They look alright. Again, my car is dirty, the outside is dirty. I'm not going to wash it until the weather starts getting nicer, because even though it looks nice now, we're in England, it'll be about 5 minutes before it starts raining again. I'll open up the... See, look how dirty the... it's not worth cleaning right now, even though I'm making a video on it. It does not have the projector headlamps, it's got the halogens, but I mean, I'm not too bothered, even though I did want projectors, the halo, you know, the angel eyes, the halo eyes, whatever you want to call them. Whatever. Here's a 3-litre turbocharged diesel engine. I think it's the N57, or I can't remember, M57? M57, I think. I'm more leaning towards M57. I did an oil change about 1,000 miles ago, which was very easy. I've still left the Swiss, I think these are Swiss vignette, or whatever they call them, the highway toll pass things on there from 2016. I just think they look quite cool. I've still got my 190e, but I do not have anything else. I've just got this and my 190e. The Micro was scrapped because it was filthy. It was mouldy inside. It was disgusting. And the ML's gone ages ago. The Astra went. Everything's gone. So I just got this, and I've got the 190, which I'm going to take back to my house, and you can see how it's running. I don't drive it anymore. It just sits there, but I did try to keep it running, but I've not started in about 2 weeks, so I need to start it, and I'll go back to the house for that. But sitting in here, it's very easy. Just put the key in the slot, press the start button, everything's here. I mean, I'll just turn it down. The sort of steering wheel controls. I don't like the steering wheel. I wish it had the M Sport steering wheel, but that's just a minor thing, and I'm not too bothered. That's the radio. It's got 4 speakers, I think. They're okay. I wish it was a bit louder. And the annoying thing is, with the aux, it's not it's not powered, so it's powered by whatever the phone puts out, which is not as loud as the radio. It's a bit annoying. It's got navigation, the professional navigation system. I can make a video on this sometime, explaining it all. Don't want my address to come up. It's excellent. You know, I filled up in Dover, which is about 180 miles away, and I went to work and back all week, so I've done 281 miles on a full tank, and I've still got that much left. I ignore the range thing, I don't believe how accurate it is, but heated seats, I don't know if I mentioned that. Cup holders, I think they're awesome, because they go down like that. That was a bit sticky, I need to do something about that. Auto dazzle rear mirror. whatever we call it, I don't know. Automatic wipers, which are terrible because they don't really work unless they hit the sensor, which is just up here. Hate them. I would really not have them. I mean, I don't use them, I just use that. Also, does anyone know how to make it so the wipers are on intermittently? Because I can only turn them on. Of course, now I'm stopped, it doesn't work. But it won't do that one where it goes like that and then stops and then does it again. It's always on. Like that. I don't know how to... I don't know how to fix it. So, let's go back to the house. Leave those off. Let's go back to the house and I'll go and start up the 190e. So here's the 190. Oh, it's starting to rain a bit, so I'll be quick. As I say, it's been sitting for about two weeks. So a little bit. It's got a bit of condensation in the headlight. I think there's a lot of water on the inside. Yeah, so I better try and make that clean sometime. It's weird sitting in this car. It's very, it's quite gangster. But let's try and start it. Again, prime the fuel pumps a bit, and start. Here we are. Starts perfectly. And just to show that this is not on the outside, I'll dry that off with a towel. Don't know why it's like that. Make sure the sunroof works, because that's the thing that goes wrong on these cars quite a lot. Seems that it does. Windows. Yeah, that works. Let's check under the hood. Got a 1.8 litre naturally aspirated engine. I mean, it's so old. It's got a billion miles on it. Slight oil leak there from the rocker cover gasket, but that's okay. It's oil. I'll leave this running a bit just to, you know, let the engine sort of get up to operating temperature. Turn the headlights on. That's the back of it. It's got the exhaust here. And my car was full of petrol. Some of the doors don't work, but I'm not sure which. That one doesn't work. That one does work. I don't know if this works from the inside or not, because it always seems to change. It works when it wants to, so it works from the inside but not the outside. The other side, I don't know if this one opens. No, and does it work from the inside? No, so this door doesn't open. Though sometimes it does open. It opens when it wants to open, which is weird. Fuel cap. It's got a sub in the back. I'm not going to open it because when it gets wet and it rains, the water trickles down, and I've opened the boot, the water will trickle onto the subwoofer, which is just annoying. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If anything else happens or anything else I can tell you, I'll make another update video. I do need to make proper content, but I'm very busy. Anyway, see ya.